In today's video, we're going to be diving deep into a comparison that I think a lot of you will find incredibly helpful, especially if you're in the process of choosing a website builder. We'll be looking at Squarespace versus Weebly, two platforms that at first glance seem quite similar, but have some key differences that could really impact your decision down the line. Whether you're building a personal portfolio, a blog, or an online store, or something even completely different, these platforms you choose could influence how successful your website ultimately is, especially when it comes to terms like functionality, aesthetic, and ease of use. First things first, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two popular website building platforms and see how they stack up. Both Squarespace and Weebly are pretty solid choices, but they cater to slightly different types of users. I'll be breaking this comparison down into 6 important categories that will help you make the best decision based on your personal needs. These aren't just random points, they're key areas where you'll be spending most of your time, especially when it comes to building and managing your website. Whether you're looking for more flexibility in design, better e-commerce options, or stronger blogging tools, you'll get a clear picture of which platform fits best for you. Let's kick things off by talking about customization and applications, which is arguably one of the most important aspects when choosing a website builder. When you start building a website, you want to make sure that the platform that you're using not only allows you to make the site look good, but also allows for functionality that fits your needs. Both Weebly and Squarespace offer curated design styles, meaning you won't have complete free-form drag and drop functionality like you would with Wix, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. A more curated approach often leads to cleaner, more professional looking results. With Weebly, you can still get some flexibility with its drag and drop interface. While it's not as free-form, you can drag elements and drop them within preset areas on the page, like above, below, or next to other elements. This structure ensures that your site stays organized and avoids cluttered, unprofessional feel that sometimes comes with completely free-form builders. On the other hand, Squarespace takes a more controlled, structured approach. Instead of freely dragging elements wherever you want, you select from pre-designated sections or strips and then customize those sections. This means you're always working within a cohesive design, and your website is more likely to come out looking polished and professional, even if you're not a website designer. One major advantage here is that Squarespace's structured approach means that the mobile version of your website will be optimized the right way. You won't need to make as many adjustments to ensure that your website looks good on different devices because the sections automatically reformat themselves to fit screens of any size. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're new to website design. Now, when it comes to adding functionality to your website, especially through applications or extensions, this is an area where Weebly pulls slightly ahead. Weebly's App Center offers more than 350 applications, which allow you to expand your site's functionality in virtually any way you can think of. Do you want to add a live chat feature to your website? There's an app for that. Need better SEO tools? You've got plenty of options. These apps make it easy to build out your website and offer a lot of flexibility, especially if you're looking to create a website that does more than just display information. For example, you can integrate booking systems, payment gateways, and even social media feeds directly into your website. Squarespace, while offering fewer apps, provides what they call extensions, which are basically third-party tools that integrate with your website. While the number of available extensions is more limited compared to Weebly's App Center, the ones that are available are high quality, and they often cover the essential functionalities that most users will need. One advantage Squarespace has in this department is that its extensions tend to be more deeply integrated into the platform. This ensures that they work smoothly with the rest of the system without any hitches. This is particularly important if you don't want to waste time troubleshooting your integrations. Up next, let's dive into aesthetics and design. Squarespace really tends to shine here. If you care about your website looks, this category is going to be especially important. Squarespace is widely regarded as one of the best website builders when it comes to professional, polished looking designs. The platform offers around 100 templates, and they're all beautifully designed with different niches in mind. Whether you're creating an online portfolio, an e-commerce store, a blog, or a wedding website, Squarespace has a template that's specifically tailored to meet your needs. And the best part is that these aren't just cookie cutter templates. Each one feels like it was crafted by a professional designer. And once you pick one, you can customize it to fit your brand's aesthetic. Colors, fonts, and layouts are all customizable, giving you a good amount of flexibility without overwhelming you with choices. The result is a site that looks professional and cohesive, even if you don't have much design experience. Weebly, on the other hand, offers around 40 templates. While they're still solid options, they don't quite reach the same level of sophistication as Squarespace's templates. And that's not to say that Weebly's templates are bad. They're perfectly functional and can still look professional. But when you compare them side by side with Squarespace, the difference in quality is pretty noticeable. However, if design isn't your top priority, you might be more focused on getting a simple, functional website up and, of course, quickly running. Weebly's templates will more than do this job. Now, pricing is another critical factor to consider, and this is where Weebly has definitely a clear edge, especially if you're on a budget. Weebly offers 3 different pricing plans ranging from $6 to $26 per month, with the added bonus of a free plan. The free plan, of course, comes with limitations. You'll have Weebly branding on your domain, and you won't be able to use a custom domain name, but it's a good option for those who are just getting started. If you're looking to build a personal site or a simple project page, Weebly's free plan might be all you need to get off the ground. However, if you want more control over your domain and the ability to remove Weebly's ads, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid tiers. Squarespace, on the other hand, doesn't offer a free plan, and their pricing is slightly higher, with plans ranging from $12 all the way up to $40 per month. However, the higher price tag comes with added value. For example, all of Squarespace's paid plans include a free custom domain for the first year, as well as G Suite integration and a professional email address. For businesses or individuals looking for a more premium, polished experience, the added features that come with Squarespace's pricing plans are definitely worth noting. The higher pricing might seem like a bit of a downside at first, but if you consider all the extras that come with it, such as unlimited storage, bandwidth, and integrated analytics, it starts to make a lot more sense, especially for businesses or serious projects. If you're planning to use your website for e-commerce, then the next category is crucial. Both Squarespace and Weebly offer strong e-commerce functionality, but there are some key differences. Weebly, thanks to its partnership with Square, allows you to sell physical and digital products, manage inventory, handle shipping, and even recover abandoned carts. One of the standout features of Weebly's e-commerce offering is its payment options. Since it's powered by Square, you can get a seamless integration with Square's payment processing system, which is great if you're already using that in the first place. You can also accept payments from a variety of sources, including PayPal, credit cards, and giving your customers even more flexibility. Squarespace also offers pretty robust e-commerce features, but where it pulls ahead is its integration with social media. With Squarespace, you can sell directly through Instagram, which is a huge advantage if you're planning on using social media as a big part of your marketing strategy. This feature is especially valuable now that more businesses are leveraging Instagram to drive their sales. You can tag products in your Instagram posts, allowing users to shop directly from your social media account. This kind of seamless integration between your website and your social media platforms can help boost sales and engagement, especially if you're a visually driven business like fashion, art, or photography. Let's move on to blogging. Squarespace has long been known for its strong blogging capabilities. The platform makes it easy to create blog posts, organize them with categories and tags, and include rich media like images, videos, and social sharing options. One feature that sets Squarespace apart in this category is its integration with AMP, or Accelerated Mobile Pages. This ensures that your blog posts load quickly on mobile devices, an important factor for SEO and user experience. You can also schedule posts, manage multiple authors, and set up an RSS feed to help syndicate your content. Overall, Squarespace offers a complete blogging solution that's perfect for anyone looking to create high-quality content. Weebly, while not as well known for blogging, still offers a very solid blogging tool. You can create posts, categorize them, and add media like you can with Squarespace. One of the advantages of Weebly's blogging platform is its ease of use. It's incredibly simple to set up and manage a blog on Weebly. The platform offers a bit more flexibility in terms of navigation. For example, Weebly allows you to create subpages within your blog, making it easy to organize content and create a more structured blog. If you're working with multiple contributors, both platforms allow for that, but Squarespace has a much more polished back end. Now, in general, what do I think about both of these platforms as a whole? I think that if you're just getting started with building a website, I would definitely recommend checking out Weebly. If you guys want to get started with Weebly, make sure you use the link down in the description in order to get the best deal possible. If you guys are already experienced in the web design world, or if you really care about the visual part of your website, I would highly recommend getting started with Squarespace. To do so, make sure you use the link down in the description, which should take you to this page here, where you simply have to press the Get Started button. Once you press that button, it'll then take you to this page where you'll answer a few questions about your website. Once you've answered all those questions, you'll then hit Next button, which will then get you into this part where you can either browse Squarespace's beautiful looking templates or start building your website with artificial intelligence. If you browse their templates, you can choose any of the templates that they have, and they have a massive library to choose from. Once you found a template that you like, you can then hit the Start with this design button and then create a quick account. Also, just to note quickly, once you guys get past the free trial period, if you want to get started with the best deal possible, make sure to use the code MyFirstWebsite, all capitals, no spaces inside of the checkout. When you use this code, you'll get an even greater discount. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below what you guys think about these two platforms. Also, let me know which of these platforms you're planning on using. Other than that though, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in a future video and take it easy.